Hi and welcome back. In this video, we're going to be looking at starting to move our Milestone project from JSON to a database. If you've skipped the last couple of videos and you went straight from CSV to database, that's fine. We're just going to make a couple of changes here. Now, the first thing to do is in the create book table, we're going to create our table. Now, we'll start by opening up a connection to the database. For that, we're going to need SQLite 3. We're going to import SQLite 3 instead of JSON. That's going to give us a few errors in our file, but that's okay for now. To open a connection, you know how to do that. We looked at that in the slides last couple of videos. So go ahead and pause the video and give it a go. Open up the connection, create your cursor, and then come back for we will implement the query here. I hope you got that. What to do is, of course, connect first of all. SQLite 3.connect. And in here, we're going to give it the file that we want to store all our data in. That's going to be data.db. Notice that data.db is going to appear in our project directory and not beside database.py. So it'll appear at the top level, which is pretty nice. Then we'll create a cursor. Then we can perform the query which is going to create our database. We'll do that in a moment. Then we'll have to, of course, commit our connection to make sure that the database does get created and that the table is all in the file. And at the end, we will close the connection. So by the way, I said create database a couple of times there. I mean create table. We're going to be creating a table.